Now children, for exercise 4.3, our next question is question number 2, which says Anuj is a good player. Which player? Cricket player. He requires 185 more runs to score a total of 5000 runs. Means first you have to understand the meaning of this line. What he is telling? He requires 185 runs more to score a total of 5000 runs. Means if he score 85 more on his previous score, his total score will become 5000. It's not 5000 now. If he score 185 more, then it will become 5000 runs. Got it? So some previous score is there. You can write like this for your understanding. In this previous score, if he score 185 runs more, total it will become, total means addition, right? Total it will become 5000 runs. This is the meaning of this sentence. Got it? Now the question is, how many runs has he scored so far? Means they are asking previous score. How many runs he has scored so far? Write the number sentence. So you have to find the previous score. How you are going to find this is your question. Now when you write like this, what did you understand? If whatever may be the previous score, if he scores 185 runs more, it will be 5000 runs in total. So if in this 5000 runs, if I subtract this 185 runs, I will get the previous score. Think, then you will understand. In this 5000 runs total, if I subtract this 185 runs, it will become the previous score. It will give me the previous score. Now let us write the statements. Okay. Here you can write is given. Total score is how much? 5000 runs. Required total score, because now it is not there, it will become. Okay. And how many runs are needed? He requires 185 more runs. So number of runs needed is 185 runs. Therefore number of runs he has scored so far is equal to total runs minus number of runs needed is equal to 5000 minus 185. Now let's subtract it in the column form in rough. We'll make a rough column here. (5,000 minus 185). Be careful about the place values of the digit, because 5000 is a 4-digit number and 185 is a 3-digit number. Now let's subtract it. From 0 I cannot subtract 5, right? So 0 will go and borrow from here, but if he also does not have anything to give, so he will go to his neighbor to borrow. He also does not have anything, so he'll go to 5 to borrow. 5 has, so he will give 1, it will become 10. Then after becoming 10, it will become 9 and give 1 here. 1 tens will come here, right? Then this 1 tens, it will reduce and give 10 ones here, right? Hope you remember all the place values which I have explained you earlier. Now 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 1 is 8 and 4. 4,815. So the answer becomes 4,815, right? We'll write the answer sentence. Therefore, who? Anuj has scored runs so far. Got it?